What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video today. I wanted to show you with iOS 14.5 and with the latest version on your Apple Watch, which is watchOS 7.4. You can now unlock your iPhone using a mask. So first you would have to go to your settings. You want to scroll down to where it says Face ID and passcode. Whatever your passcode is, you want to type it in. Okay, so you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Kia's Apple Watch. It says unlock with Apple Watch. So first, in order to get that, in order to check this green, you'd have to make sure that you're on the latest iOS update, which, like I said, is iOS 14.5. And on your Apple Watch, you want to make sure you're on the latest software update, which would be watchOS 7.4. So once all of that's good and up to date, you would click here and check it on, and this feature allows you to unlock your unlock your iPhone using Face ID, but basically it's unlocking it through your Apple Watch. So I'm going to demonstrate it. So first, my mask is off. So if your mask is off, it's going to automatically still unlock the way it's supposed to. But I'm going to pull my mask on my mask on my face. And as you can see, my watch is here, and I'm going to pick up my device. Boom, and I'm going to look at it, and it automatically lets me unlock it, but it's saying unlocking with your Apple Watch. So it's not using the phone, it's really connecting through your Apple Watch. So I'm going to do this one more time. So I'm going to pick the device up. Boom. Just like that. And I'm getting a little notification here. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up, but I'm getting a little notification here saying that it's unlocking. The device is being unlocked with my Apple Watch. I'm going to do it again. Boom, just like that. You get a notification that your Apple Watch, that your iPhone is being unlocked with your Apple Watch. Do it again. I think this is a really good feature because in the day and age that we live in now, with having to wear a mask, that is very, very cool. But my thing to Apple, this is a cool feature, but my hope on iOS 15 is that you can make this happen without us having to have an Apple Watch, because not everybody owns an Apple Watch. And even if you own an Apple Watch, not everybody works jobs that allows them to wear an Apple Watch. Like myself, I work in the kitchen, so I cannot wear anything on my wrist. So this is cool for when I'm at home and out and about on the weekend, you know, and I have a mask on to unlock my device. But during the week, it'd be nice if I could just use this same feature just without it having an Apple Watch connected to it to unlock my device. But like I said, this is really cool. It's just unlocking it simultaneously, just like that. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.